trade. But we have a whole host of guests who join in now. Dilip Bhat is with us, and Mr. S.P. Tulsian is with us as well, and Kunal Botra also continues to chat with us. Gentlemen, afternoon to all of you. Dilip, I want to start off with you. It's been good for the markets the last 2-3 days. Of course, you can call it short covering, but now with the Fed event out of the way, do you think that the market would sort of continue to see a bit of a relief rally?
Sonia, absolutely. I think all of that. Plus, what I'm really looking forward to is that any time now we possibly could see a pre-budget rally really taking shape. So whether it could happen immediately or probably it is already in the process, time alone will tell. But I think that there is a good possibility of that playing out. Second factor is, I think this quarterly results, 31st December 2015 quarterly results, will certainly be much better QOQ as well as YOY. I think that is because of the very fact that the entire festival season has got bunched together. So by and large, most of the results should, most of the companies should come out with a slightly better performance. So these two factors will certainly provide a good amount of tailwind. And I also expect that now with government virtually giving up passing of GST in this particular session, I think we will still see a spate of good announcements in terms of the reforms, which will really give a good hope and optimism in a run-up to the budget. So all of this will, I think, will make the climate very conducive for the bulls to really prevail over the bears for some more time, at least till the budget.
Okay, some stocks are surging now, but Tata Steel up about close to 4%, Hindalco is as well up about 3%. Mr. Tulsian, good afternoon. So, metal names, can we expect some more short covering bounce, some more surge, considering the way we have seen the global markets move?
See, Anuj, if you are a technical trader, then probably you can dance to the tunes of, this all technical moves. But if you really take a call on any stocks, whether you're starting with JSW Steel, moving to 1050, I don't honestly see any reason. Similarly for Tata Steel, again, purely on a fundamental basis. Similar is the case with the Steel Authority, or maybe Vedanta, or maybe Jindal Steel and Power. In fact, all are, and probably the December results, people see market is expecting an announcement from the government that import parity price or the floor price is likely to get fixed for HR coil, and that is giving a big headache or big competition to all these companies. We have been seeing a good trading momentum in JSW Steel. If you plot the chart, probably you will find 1020, 1030. Today it has crossed, in fact, the trading range, and again it corrects to the level of 930, 940 in a span of maybe a couple of months. And this trading momentum or grip has been holding for maybe last 45 days or so. You have seen Tata Steel moving to 260, 265, and again correcting to 230. So these kind of volatility is going to remain, and I don't know whether the traders can really be able to catch at the right end. You do not know whether suppose if the announcement gets delayed by the government, maybe by about a week or so, people will get tired, because now you have started getting opportunity in other counters, because earlier it was taken, there were very few ideas. Practically on all the frontliners there was negative view. But these stocks, we yesterday discussed about the GAIL, Gas Authority of India. If you see today's intraday chart also, the same thing is happening. On every interval of couple of hours, you see the stock correcting by 5 rupees and again moving back. So probably these are the trading stocks, and I don't think that people will be able to catch it on the right side. When you need to go long, probably they'll go short, and when you need to go short, probably they'll go long. So I'll remain away, and fundamental view is totally negative on all 3 or 4 stocks which I've discussed.
Okay, Dilip, a word on Reliance, that's crossed 1000 after a really long time. Do you think it's finally ready to make a move on?
Well, I think, Anuj, people are waiting for Reliance really to move up, because that's been a real laggard all throughout. So I think there is every possibility that Reliance may now surge ahead, maybe on the back of some of these news, especially the launch of its telecom. But I think overall, considering the fact that there are quite a few of the headwinds waiting in terms of the judgments which are going to come on the oil exploration part, the tiff between them and ONGC, I think they will continue to pose those intermittent hurdles for some time to come. But I think the trajectory finally should look up.
Well, just look at the way